Okay, there is another second jeans trouser. What I love about this jeans trouser is elastic. That's why I love elastic clothes, because you can use it without giving you problems. So this one is elastic. Let's try it, guys. The second jeans trouser, size 42. Just look at it. Is really giving. This is the back, guys. It's very, very, very beautiful, and the way that it sleep on my body is really beautiful. I love it. I love it. This is nice. Odogo wake, odogo wife, odogo wife, odogo wife. I love it. Okay, let's go for the last jeans trouser. Let's go there and try it. We are coming back soon. Guys, let's go for the last jeans trouser. The last one. Okay. Let's try everything. We are done for trying. We try. This is black, and I love black things, black clothes, black. Because black is giving another different dimension of dressing, really. So let's go. Yeah, this is 42 too. I want to tuck in this, my dressing side. Then I will fold the under here. Look at this black. It's really, really giving, guys. It's giving. Hey, it's beautiful. Then let me go. This is our bag. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Odogo wife. Odogo wife. Odogo wake wife. So we can use the bag like this. And they start for Nana. I'm not saying I'll be you. I'm not trying. I'm standing for everyone. Okay. Oh, the bag. Hello. Hi there. Hi. Hi. So the jeans trouser is giving. Everything here is giving. And the bag is giving. All of them are really beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. We have to go. Ooh.